Lenzing, we produce natural man-made fibers. And it may be surprising, but a fiber company is also dealing with digitization. And that's my role in Lenzing. It is about, the position is called Smart Operation. And with this role, I got in touch with TrendMiner, because it's not just about generating data, it's about using data and making value out of it.
What were you looking for in a tool that you in the end were utilizing TrendMiner?
Before we had TrendMiner, we had an environment of systems in the field of operation based on OCPI system. And to collect the data, OCPI is perfect. But to use this data and to generate value out of it, I learned that most of the engineers, not the operators, but mainly the engineers, struggle a bit with the ability to deal with Pi vision, especially when the change was from the previous process book version to Pi vision. Then they needed to learn a lot of skills, and they need to be trained, and they need more working steps to get the same results out of it as we have it now with TrendMiner. And in the transition, I was asked by a process engineer, why don't we have TrendMiner? And I always told him, with Pi vision we can do it. And then, then I got in touch with it. I got a first impression. I saw it by myself. Oh, it's even faster. It's even faster. And then we started with the explore phase. And now we are close to the end of the explore phase, and we plan to roll it out over the company. It's the user experience itself. With such less clicks and such good guided and obviously way to work, and a natural way to work, it makes it very easy for me without the training to find everything on the right place. And that's the major benefit for me as well. It's mostly about time saving.